Okay, so apply the bevel on rounded corners, and sometimes it has shading problems. So what kind of problems it can be? Let's try to check our rounded corner, and I will probably make a duplicate. So let's select the edge and just do bevel, shrink it down a bit, insert one segment, and voila, we have a bevel. Let's press it, and probably I'll assign new material, blend, a bit darker the color, just indicate the bevels. And as you can see, we have this again, this artifacts like on a circle, on a ball, let's say. So how to solve them? Definitely to add geometry. Yeah, so let's insert edge loop tool, and in order to make straight lines, just press Ctrl and Shift. Yeah, okay. So what we'll do next, I will select this face, right click with a shift and poke this face, select this one, let's say vertex point, snap it to here. We'll select them both and merge them. Perfect. Let's check this out. We still, wait a second, I don't know if you can see, but we still having issues on this corner. Yeah, so how to fix that? Once again, you missing geometry. You don't have enough geometry to perform this operation. So what you need to do, just for example, you can select these guys, try to extrude, we'll do offset, something like that. And I will select and delete these guys, snap it in order to align with this line. Yeah, and let's check it again. And right now we don't have any artifacts because we have this supportive loop. But you will say, what about the triangles? Once again, like on ball, just delete each second and you will get a quads. And this wiggling thing doesn't matter while it's staying on the flat surface. So you can see reflection working on the flat surface like that. Yeah, and after that we have a bending on the second line. Yeah, great. So with enough geometry you can maintain the flat, surface, and remove these artifacts. So I hope this quick tutorial will be helpful for you. So this is how to do bevel on rounded corners. Have a nice day and goodbye.